So one really exciting new feature with the 2022 software update is the release of the PiVision OMI app. So this is brand new, and this app enables you to embed PiVision displays and dashboards into OMI directly. And that actually works as a pane inside of the OMI layout, just like the other panes that you have traditionally in OMI. The neat thing about this app is that the dashboard that you embed actually inherits all of the control and navigation links from PiVision directly. So we'll see in this video that you can navigate and use the same parameters that you have inside of PiVision, but embedded inside of OMI. And you can see these parameters on the right side here. Skip ahead a little bit because I want to show you guys some of those parameters. Some of those parameters include, you have the start and end time for the dashboard time frame. You also have the ability to hide the time bar, the toolbar, the sidebar, and even configure the dashboard in kiosk mode, which is one of the 3 modes. You have ad hoc displays, freeform, and looks like I paused it. Let's go ahead and jump forward a little bit. You have 3 modes. You have ad hoc displays, freeform, and dashboard mode. So depending on the mode that you select, you can lock the screens so the display is frozen and can't be manipulated, or you can allow the user to freeform and manipulate the displays ad hoc, which you can see right here. So these, the time frame editing tools that you see on the bottom here with those red arrows, those are the same ones that you have inside of PiVision, but they're embedded inside of the OMI app.